Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video about the journey in building the most space-efficient non-permanent conversion kits for vans. And since the last video, actually a lot of stuff happened. I got new tires and got the wheels aligned, but unfortunately after calibrating the alignment of the wheels, my steering wheel was quite crooked. And now I've just been to my mechanic and we fixed this issue, but we figured out why this actually happened, and well, some other parts of the chassis are just, well, too old and not usable anymore, so I need to exchange these as well. Actually, I hoped I was done after all the parts about the engine I already exchanged, but well, that's just how it is with used old cars like this one, even if it doesn't look like this. But right now we are actually on the way to, well, hopefully buying a used, well, digital piano for my conversion kit, or for my own conversion for this van. I'm really excited and hope that it fits my needs. Well, we will see.
Yeah, it's time to start.
Well, now back at my workshop, well, with the piano here as well. I'm really happy that I got it. Well, I already ordered as well the fridge for my conversion kit with two separate spaces that I can set to a different temperature. I'm pretty curious to see if this works properly. But as I had to clean out my van for some side projects where I had to, well, transport a lot of stuff, now it is fairly empty in here, but this gives me the opportunity to, well, try to tell you what the layout for my conversion will be. Well, at first, the bench, the two-seated bench, this will stay in the van as I want to be able to take friends or other people with me, still with the complete conversion in place. That's pretty similar to the last conversion I did, and well, as long as this works and I still get to fit everything I need in here, I think this is a pretty nice feature, so you can, well, or I can go on a trip with some friends that just sleep in the tent and I can stay in the van. Well, over here there will be a lot of storage. The fridge will be down here, and well, the bed above the bed will be located at this side, 120 by 2 meters, and it will be, well, at the very front at the driver and co-driver seats. Here in the back there will be the piano in front of the hatchback, so I can sit here, play the piano and watch, hopefully, the beautiful landscapes. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm really excited about it. And well, there not only will be the piano, but also kind of a desk above the piano, so that I can do some work from the trip or in the van during the trip. And on this side there will be actually a cupboard that goes all the way to the top, and there will be the kitchen that will be pretty similar to the last conversion I did, because I'm really happy with this kitchen. And well, there, I'm not sure yet, there will probably be the sink over here with some water storage above, but I'm not quite sure yet. Well, this means, other than in the other conversion that I've done before, in this one, well, when you put the piano aside, and this will be possible, you can get into the front, walk through the whole van and get out the hatchback. So when I put the piano aside, I can still, well, get a bike in here or something to transport in daily use, even when the conversion kit is in place. I think this is a nice feature because, well, when there's the piano or the desk, I need space for my legs anyways to stretch underneath, because otherwise it would be pretty uncomfortable. So I leave this out and have kind of a floor that runs all the way through in the middle to the back. And this also means I can reach almost all my storage units from inside the van and don't have to get out to get to the most of the stuff. So this is the rough layout for my conversion. Well, maybe some things will change during the detailed design process. This takes ages, but I'm getting forward at least. So, well, if you have any suggestions for me, I'd be pretty happy. If you have any ideas what I can do better, please leave this in the comments. And or if I have missed something important, well, the toilet I didn't mention. Well, so that's it already for this video, and in the next one I'll hopefully be done with the complete design. So I will get over you, or I will take a look with you over it to get hopefully some feedback of you before I start then fabricating all the parts in the next video. So thanks for watching, good luck with your projects, and see you in the next one.